Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and claim a Taiko airdrop, which you can actually see right here on my screen. I'm on the website, and you can see the website is called the Taiko XYZ. I'm going to paste all the link in my description below so you don't miss any single thing. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I'll look my screen. My screen is right here, so don't mind if I'm actually looking right here. So on the screen, what I want to do is to go to the document section, which is going to give you all the things you need to do in order for you to take part in the airdrop. And once you open the page, you need to come to the set up your wallet. And on the set up a wallet section, you notice that you can actually use two wallets, which is Rabi and MetaMask. And I have MetaMask installed on my browser, which is what I'm going to be using in this video. So the next thing you want to do is to click on add chains to your wallet. So you can click on any of this link. For example, let's say you're using the Oleski. If you click on the Oleski testnet, it's going to give you this, and what you want to do is to go ahead and click on add to MetaMask. It's going to bring a pop-up and it's going to add to MetaMask. Once it adds to MetaMask, it's going to look like this. So you can see I have both chain installed. I have the Oleski and the Ekla network on my MetaMask. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and you need to receive token into your wallet, which I've done already. I have some amount of token already on my account, which you can see 2 ETH. So you can send to receive some Oleski Testnet Ether on your account by clicking on this link, and the link to do that is right here. All you have to do is to click on MetaMask, and what you want to do is to copy your address and you paste it into this section, and it's going to give you the captcha. Then you just have to verify it, and it's once you click on verify, it's going to ask you to make a tweet about it, which you have to make. And once you make the tweet, it's going to ask you to get the URL. I don't know, this is taking a while. Let me ignore this. I've done this already. So you tweet, then once you've done the tweet, then you copy the URL of that your particular tweet on Twitter, then you paste it in and you check. Then it's going to take a while before it gives you your ETH. You just have to be patient. It might take maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes. That was why I was not able to record this video in the first place, because I need to get my ETH first. So once you have your ETH, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and bridge the token. You can see actually the guide is already written in this Taiko documentation. So you go to the bridge section. How do you get to the bridge section? On this website, I'll just click here and come to bridge. It's going to take me to the bridge section. And before I do this, let me do this. So let me do this this one. Then I'll click on network. I'll just click on host. Let me do that again real quick. I'll click on this. Then it's checking if I can mint. I can mint, yes. So I'll click first of all, mint. Let me mint this. Mint. So it's just going to do some confirmation on my MetaMask, which I'm going to confirm. And once I confirm, you see it's still in progress. It's tracking in progress. Now minted. I've minted this successfully. Now the next thing I want to do is to go to the bridge section. I think it's going to give me some amount of COOS on my account. Okay, minted already. So now the next thing I want to do is to come here, and I'll click on this set already. I'll click on this and just put in some amount. I'll just say 0. Let's say 0.5, or let's say 0.4 basically. Then click on this. I'll click on bridge, then I'll bridge this and confirm again on my MetaMask. So I'll wait for it to load. Confirm, then confirm. Since bridging, you just have to wait a few minutes for it to bridge. Then now it's done. All right, so if you notice, you see my transaction right here has been confirmed. I've claimed this. So let's click on swap. So now you can see I have some amount of ETH. I'll click on token and click on us. Then I'll put in the amount. Let's say 0.03. I'm swapping. So I'm swapping ETH to this. So right now it's fetching the best results or best prices. I'll just wait for it to load. Now slow there. So I'll not click on swap. Then I'll click on confirm swap, and it's going to confirm the transaction on my MetaMask, which I'm going to say you don't have enough amount of ETH in your balance to pay for this deposit using another. Then I'll click on confirm. Then now it's done. Now I've successfully done the swap. The next section we want to do is I can cancel this. The next section you want to do is to come to this Galax quest. Now you need to complete this Galax 12 quest. You come down, you're going to notice what you need to do. This is what you need to do, and this. So you click on this pledge for Taiko giveaway. So I'll click on it. Right now, that's what you have right now. So you need to complete all these tasks. Complete all these tasks. You just need to connect your wallet. You can click on connect. Then I'll connect my Ethereum using MetaMask. Then next, switch connected. Then sign in. So now I'm signed in. The next now, so is to scroll down and complete all these tasks so you can get your points. If you complete all these tasks mentioned here, you get 25 points. If you complete these tasks here, you get 25 points. So you just have to make sure you complete the ones you can actually complete to get the amount of points you need. And after that, you go back to the Taiko page. Then the next thing you click on the trust bonus. You click on trust bonus. Then trust bonus, you want to get your Gitcoin passport. On your Gitcoin passport, if you click on it, it's going to be the drop down, and you click on the link, and the link is going to show you what you need to do and the score you need to get. You get the score, and when you get the score, then it's done. So that's it on how to claim the Taiko airdrop and be eligible for it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly subscribe and also don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.